1,000 years ago, power didn't come from machines. It came from fire, muscle, and iron. At dawn, the forge came alive, bellows roaring, coals glowing. The blacksmith's world was heat, smoke, and rhythm. With hammers, tongs, and anvil, he shaped everything. Swords for war, horseshoes for travel, nails for kingdoms. Each strike took strength. Each mistake could mean ruin or fire in your face. He wasn't just a craftsman. He was the village's heartbeat. Without his hands, there were no tools, no trade, no defense. That sound, iron striking iron, was the music of progress, a rhythm older than kings. Each blacksmith guarded secrets, how to temper steel, how to make metal unbreakable. He mastered the one thing that could destroy him, fire itself. In a world without engines, he was the maker of power, shaping civilization, one spark at a time.